Welcome to our story. Crowds or us in world's most popular country, managing people should be an everyday priority. The negligence that triggered the stamped at New Delhi railway station from pile up to switching off platforms remained stark over 48 hours later. At platform crash, platform crashes or just one cog in the wheel of mismanagement. 2 points here. As with most of everything, it starts with policy and two stamped like situations or a terrifying everyday phenomena. We are the world's situation are a terrifying the we are the world's most popular are and we are the world's most populous countries. This makes crowd management not a special talks but a constant that needs to be incorporated in every design, especially in commuting. Parallel tracks first policy, we have been witnessing absolute mayhem on trains around festivals, dynamic pricing, where fires, where fears are, where ferries shoot up with demand becomes major pain point for myself ahead of group travel. Home for Kant or Diwali, home for Chhat or Diwali and now pilgrim to Kumbh. UP government has been advertising the millions expected in Prayagraj. Railways could surely have kept in abeyance dynamic pricing for this 45 days period. Price sensitive travelers have no option but to travel by general coaches. Even when numbers of general coaches are increased, they run beyond capacity because there's no knowing how many general tickets were sold. Unreserved tickets are sold by destination, not train number. It's like a peak and it's like pack of cards set up to collapse. Losing track. It's amazing there's still no mechanism to mentor and control the sale of general tickets. It is how 2600 tickets were sold in a span of 2 hours. Railways brass is presumably none by and none the wiser. A contributing factor is also that railways had reportedly done away with trains with only general coaches because they are insufficient. It was the deployment